Here at Andrews, Bongar, Gormley and Clagett, we hope that you have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. But whether you're going to a picnic, taking a trip to the beach, opening the pool, getting the boat in the water, or even going to the parade, take time to remember that the true purpose of Memorial Day is not to mark the beginning of summer, but to take time to remember those who, in the words of Abraham Lincoln, gave the last full measure of devotion for our country. And while Lincoln's words were about a cemetery in Gettysburg and the Civil War, we believe they apply to all those, no matter where they are buried or interred, who gave their lives in defense of our country and our way of government. 7 years ago, our fathers put forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty, and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. Now we are engaged in a great civil war, testing whether that nation, or any nation so conceived and so dedicated, can long endure. We are met on a great battlefield of that war. We have come here to dedicate a portion of that field as a final resting place for those who gave their lives that this nation might live. It is altogether fitting and proper that we should do this. But in the larger sense, we cannot dedicate, we cannot consecrate, we cannot hallow this ground. The brave men, living and dead, who struggled here, have consecrated it far above our poor power to add or detract. The world will little note nor long remember what we say here, but it can never forget what they did here. It is for us, the living, rather, to be dedicated to the unfinished work which they fought here have thus far so nobly advanced. It is rather for us to be dedicated to the great task remaining before us, that from these honored dead we take increased devotion to the cause for which they gave the last full measure of devotion, that we here highly resolve that these dead shall have not died in vain, that this nation, under God, shall have new birth of freedom, and that the government of the people, by the people, and for the people, shall not perish from this earth.